Having trouble with your Tesco Mobile data add-on? Let's get you back online. The most common reasons a data bundle won't work are due to add-on activation issues or balance problems. First, make sure you have enough balance to cover the add-on. Open the Tesco Mobile app or check online to confirm. Also, verify that the add-on has actually been activated. Sometimes, app glitches prevent this. If you've just purchased the add-on, the Smart Activation feature in the latest app, version 5.12.1 or later, should automatically retry activation if it initially failed. If problems persist, try toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. A simple device restart can also resolve temporary glitches. If these quick fixes don't work, move on to the next section for more in-depth troubleshooting. If the basic steps didn't solve the issue, let's dive deeper. Ensure your Tesco mobile app is up to date. Outdated versions can cause activation errors. Clear the app's cache to resolve potential conflicts. If your balance seems correct, but the add-on still won't activate, it's possible your balance is frozen due to a security flag. This can happen after suspicious top-ups. Contact Tesco Mobile support via live chat to verify your balance and remove any holds. As a last resort, if all else fails and you need data urgently, try dialing 100 SHAC to activate your bundle via manual activation. If you are still having issues, be sure to log all your attempts at activating add-ons, as this will help speed up the refund process when contacting support.